guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about if you've ever wanted to have a commercial sized fridge in your kitchen, a hack of a way of accomplishing this with a third of the cost. So like Wolf and those other brands have like those big commercial fridges and they're about like $10,000 give or take. And so this is a way that Fridgidaire has it where you can get a full size refrigerator and a full size freezer side by side for about $3,000. And basically what it is it's two separate units. So this is actually like the fridge side on this side. And then on this side you have a full size freezer. And you purchase the kit. And the kit allows you to put them together side by side. And it's sealed right here where the two are together as one unit. The also great thing about this is that if any one side goes bad, you don't have to replace the entire refrigerator. You just replace the side or have maintenance the side that has the problem. So this is a simple hack that's going to save you a third of money and accomplish the view of having a commercial size refrigerator in your kitchen. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone's living just fancy.